child studies, the novelty and clinical significance of this topic, and then we'll be looking specifically, exclusively at young adulthood and where they're at now.
PRIDE stands for Psychology Research Initiative and Diversity Enhancement Program. When we would run any of our programming, grad school prep programs, and during senior awards, anything that involved the undergrads, we were observing that there were a lot of students missing from those events, and they were students from underrepresented populations. Two parts really to the program. They work with me on professional development. We meet weekly for a couple of weeks to talk about grad school prep. The second component is the lab work. So students are each paired with a faculty mentor, and then they spend 20 to 25 hours per week working in that mentor's lab, which culminates in some sort of independent study project.
I really wanted to get my hands on research before I decided what I wanted to do in grad school, before I put a definite on what I want to do in grad school. I know I want to be a psychologist, and I know I want to do clinical, but what route, I don't know.
It's been a really good experience because for the past 2 years I've been saying that I want to research psychology, but I never really understood what research was, and now I've had hands-on experience. So
I've been thinking about going into school psychology. So no matter what, I have to go to grad school, and I haven't ever really been involved with research, and I know that's like a big part of grad school, so I wanted to kind of get a taste of it.
The students that participate, there's just something really special about them. They have to have this little bit of confidence or assertiveness or strong curiosity, but there's something that they're willing to put themselves out there to begin with. What they're going to take with them is a greater awareness of what it means to be a psychologist, what it means to be a graduate student. It gives them the opportunity to verify really what their future goals are. And if they, at that point, decide that they do want to move forward in terms of becoming psychologists, going to graduate school, they are equipped now with the resources and tools and the important departmental contacts that they're going to need to make that whole journey easier and more successful.